Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to withdraw TikTok Shop balance from refunds. When you request a refund for an order on TikTok Shop and it gets approved, the refunded amount is sent back to your TikTok balance or your shop balance. This means the money will not go to your bank account or your card directly. Instead, it stays inside TikTok Shop as a balance. You can easily check this balance by opening the TikTok app, going to your profile, tapping the three lines in the top right corner, and then selecting Wallet or Balance under the Shop section. There you will see your refunded amount listed. It may appear as Shop Balance or Refund Balance depending on your region. Unfortunately, you cannot withdraw this balance to your bank account. TikTok does not allow users to transfer refund money outside the app. The refunded amount cannot be withdrawn, converted into cash, or sent anywhere else. It will remain in your TikTok Shop balance. However, the good news is that you can still use this refunded balance to buy other items on TikTok Shop. When you make your next purchase, TikTok will automatically use the available balance first before charging the rest from your selected payment method. So even though the refund cannot be withdrawn, you will not lose your money. It can still be used to shop for other products within TikTok Shop. Thanks for watching.